I can ride my two-wheeler bike and Melanie's training wheels.
Okay, let's show him.
Daddy, something.
This is her first day that she got the bike without training wheels. Isn't she great? She's a pro.